You ask a lot of questions. You want to find out whether or not that lawyer that you're talking to has ever handled a trucking case, and if so, how many? What his success rate is. If he hasn't won any of these, probably a bad idea to sign up with him. The next thing you want to know is whether or not he knows what he's doing. Just ask those questions. And depending on the answers that you get, you'll make your decision. If you feel comfortable with the answers, obviously stay with that lawyer. If you don't, probably a good idea to go somewhere else.